Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hina with Miss Hina's Lego Robotics. Super excited today because I'm giving you the results of the Load of Code online robot game challenge that I set up in June. July 15th was the last day to send in any videos, and today we're ready to find out who was the winner. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to promise not to harp on this anymore because I think I ranted enough. There were so many people that said they were going to participate, and we ended up with 4 participants, including me. But again, it's all good because, people got things to do. I don't know what happened, but it's all good because we did get some participants. So today, let me lay it out for you. We have the Tech Warriors that sent videos in. We had Connor that sent things in. I participated, and thank you again to Leuk for sending me that first video, but ended up being busy. So Leuk, thank you for participating, which was really good because for me, I needed Leuk, and I'll tell you why in a second. But what I want to do is go ahead and get to the videos, because if you guys remember, only my and Leuk's video or mission number 1 was the only thing that I showed you. So we have a lot of videos to get to, and then we're going to find out who won at the end. So stick around, okay? So let's go to the missions. Ready, set, go. Okay, guys, so some amazing videos. Thank you so much, Tech Warriors. Thank you so much, Connor, for sending those videos in. It was just really cool to be able to compete with you guys. And I'll be honest, I did my Mission 6 way before Connor and the Tech Warriors sent their videos in, but obviously it didn't matter because you guys saw that it took me longer to finish my Mission 6, and also I only got 75 points for that one mission instead of the 150. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and let you guys know. Thank you, Luke, for sending in that one video, because now Mr. Eno can't be in last place. Just kidding, Luke. I'll take last place, no big deal. But let's just give Luke props. Thank you, Luke, for sending that video in. So Luke ended up with that 50 points for doing mission 1, but hey, at least he sent a video in. And without further ado, Mr. Hino came in 3rd place with my 845 points. It was all good. I mean, I had my tricky robot, and it was just fun to be able to participate. What was kind of crazy is I ended up figuring out that, man, the missions that I had sent up for myself were actually tougher. Some of them were tougher than I thought. But now here's the point that you guys have been waiting for. If you guys noticed, I didn't put how long it took Connor and the Tech Warriors to finish their mission number 6, because I wanted to keep that a surprise. So this is the moment you guys have all been waiting for, is what was the final tabulation and the final time that Connor and the Tech Warriors did for that mission number 6. If you guys missed it, I gave a 50-point bonus to the person who did that the fastest, and then I get a 25-point bonus to the second fastest. So right now, Connor and the Tech Warriors are tied at 910 points. And now I get to tell you, because they got those 3 vehicles at the end, but right now I get to tell you who the winner was, because the winner was the one that got the 50 points. The second place was the winner that got the 25 points. So here we go, guys. Drum roll. Are you guys ready? The winner of the 2021 Load of Code Online Robot Game Challenge was the Tech Warriors. The Tech Warriors. So let me go ahead and make this official. The Tech Warriors finished their mission number 6 in 7.38 seconds. And Connor finished his mission number 6 in 10.47 seconds. So it was really close. I'll be honest, I sat down, I slow motioned everything. As soon as that robot left, I started it. As soon as that robot came back, I stopped it. And that's the time that I got. So beautiful job, Tech Warriors, with the 960 points. And let's give it up for Connor. Thank you so much, Connor. You did a great job. He got all of his missions in before that July 15th deadline, and you rocked it. And, if it's any consolation, you came 3 seconds away from first place. So great job, Connor, with the 935 points. So fantastic, Connor. Nothing to hang your head about. You did a great job, and you even took Mr. Hino out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these videos. I enjoyed just seeing you guys turn these videos in. Thank you again to the Tech Warriors. I know that you said you weren't even really planning on turning anything in, but saw how very few people were participating. And look at what happened. You came in first place. So great job, you guys. And hopefully that got your minds going with this upcoming theme of Cargo Connect, Connor and the Tech Warriors. Hopefully it kept your mind going on problem solving and trying to get yourself prepared for this year's the Cargo Connect First Lego League theme. And it definitely excited me, and hopefully it's excited all of you guys that are viewing and watching. So thank you so much, you guys, for participating. So we're wrapping up the 2021 Load of Code Online Robot Game Challenge. It was super cool. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.